Hi, my name's Angela. My homeschool channel is Homeschool HQ. I'm going to talk to you mostly about curriculums and different curriculums that I've tried, what works for me and what might work for you. I hope to do lots of reviews for all subjects. Hopefully I can help you find the right curriculum that is going to work best for you. I'm also going to talk about some of the homeschool laws in different states, particularly my state, Ohio. If that's something that's interesting to you, you're definitely going to get a lot out of my channel. Also, I'm going to talk about different things that works outside of curriculum for homeschool. One of the things that really helps us with our homeschooling is the co-op opportunities that we've been able to take part in. I'm going to teach you and help guide you on finding these co-ops and many other resources out there available. So if that is something that interests you, you'll definitely find my channel helpful and beneficial, and I hope that if you decide that you like my videos and my content, you will like and subscribe on my videos and my channel. So just today, some of the things that I'm going to get started with talking about is reasons why people choose to homeschool and why I chose to homeschool. So a lot of times a lot of homeschoolers are religious, they're Christian, they look for homeschooling curriculum so that they can teach their values to their family, teach their Christian views to their family or any other religious views to their family. Let's face it, the school system, there's so many different values, so many different religions, so many things that they have to teach to be able to adhere to what everyone needs. It's just not possible for them to be able to do it. So for you to get what's valuable to you, you're going to have to do it yourself at home. Other things, people are feeling like they want a little bit more time with their family. They want to spend more time together, to have the flexibility to do things like field trips, just being with their kids, learning their styles of learning, helping them in the best way that they know how. The one way to get to be able to do that is to be with your kid more through homeschooling. So that is something that a lot of parents choose to do, is just to be with their family more. Other reasons why people like to homeschool is for the freedoms, to have the say, and when they do homeschool, how long they do it, what they teach. There are regulations that you must follow, but you can pick and choose how much longer you want to spend on certain subjects than others, certain things that you want to teach, something that you want to leave out. That's up to you. You're able to do that. You have the flexibility and the freedoms to do that if that is something that is valuable to you. Other ways that you might find that people choose to homeschool, other reasons why people choose homeschooling is some people are afraid of some of the mask mandates, the vaccine mandates. Maybe they want it, maybe they don't want it. That's just some more flexibility that you would have if you chose to homeschool, where you could make that call for your own family and not have someone decide that for you. If you're fearful for the germs at school, keep them home, then you don't have to deal with all of that. One of the things that really led me to choosing homeschool was the end of the first year where we all started with the COVID. Everything was COVID. We got sent home with some at-home schoolwork assignments and online learning, and realized that that's not for us. That wasn't working out. So my son asked if he could homeschool. I decided that was something I would look into, so we did, and I took the plunge. We decided to homeschool. At first it was rocky, but we got our routine, we got our right curriculum, and I think that is key. Routine and the curriculum that works best for you and your family. Along the way, I've learned my child learns in a different way, more of a multi-sensory approach. He likes to do things hands-on, doesn't like just to read out of a book or hear things told to him. So we found curriculums that works best suitable for that type of learning style. I've also learned that is also my learning style, so I'm learning all kinds of things right alongside of him. Some people are fearful because they maybe have to work full-time and they're afraid that they're not going to be able to give their kid the full education that they need. I am a full-time employee, and I do not feel that my kid is getting any less education than what he would have gotten in the public school system. If not, I think he might be getting more, because our school program is tailored to him. We're not maxing him out and then going past what he's able to retain because he is burnout. We're able to stop and come back. We're able to take breaks, find things that are interesting to him or a learning style that is interesting to him, maybe utilize some Minecraft, some board games, puzzles for learning, so it's not all me talking. So I think that really he has been able to maximize his learning opportunity at home and absorb the information that he's being taught, not just hear it. So don't feel bad if you're a full-time employee, that you will find your groove, you'll find your routine, you'll find what works, and you'll find out that it can be done. So if you have a reason that you've chosen to homeschool your family, or if you've heard other reasons why people are homeschooling, please feel free to leave a comment below. I would love to hear more. I love talking homeschool, so feel free to leave any comment and I would love to follow up with it. Thank you so much for viewing my channel. I hope you like what you saw. If you would like more information, stay tuned. I plan on sharing lots of tips, advice, curriculum reviews, and I hope that it will be beneficial to you. Thank you so much.